Hi guys, today we're going to show you the baby block. This is the child-proof receptacle or outlet cover. It comes as this box and will go on top of this receptacle and will prevent your child from accidentally pulling out any wires or inserting something inside the receptacle. The set comes with a small clip which gets inserted into this opening right here, and this will allow you to open this box. So you have to push it in and open the box. As you can see, there is a small cutout on the bottom which will allow us to still use our electrical equipment. Set also comes with two types of receptacle covers, one for the square receptacles like we have on our wall, and the second one for the double receptacles. We have two small screws in the set, and if the clip gets lost, you can always use the paper clip instead. I will use a small flat screwdriver to remove these two screws. Now I will put the box against the wall, and then the cover will go inside the box, and then we'll use the two screws that come in the set. You can either use two plugs like this, or you guys can use one big adapter like this one. So I will connect this one, and the wire will go right here into the opening, and I will close this box. This is how the opening looks like underneath. A couple of wires will easily fit in here. Like I said, it's quite secure. You cannot easily open it, only using I'll use the clip that we showed you. Again, I will insert the clip inside, and at the same time you pull it off and the box will open. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you need one of these, I will leave you a link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.